Hello everyone, we are from Tapsi Electromedical Systems and Services. We are manufacturers of electrotherapy equipments in physiotherapy range since 1996. Today in this video, we are here to present you a demo for Tapsi SABE N205, which is computerized 4-channel TENS. The bag consists of 4-channel TENS device, instruction manual, 4 electrode cables with 2 rubber electrodes in each cable, 2 pair of velcro straps, a 3-pin mains cord and an electrode gel bottle. Plug the mains cord end in the mains socket provided at the back side of the device. Plug the mains cord and turn on the switch. Now turn on the switch given at the back side of the device to start. When the device is turned on, first mode, that is continuous output mode, 200 Hz frequency, 350 microsecond pulse width and 10-minute timer are displayed. To change output mode, press directly mode button on the device panel. We have 5 output modes: continuous, fast burst, slow burst, ramp burst and sweep. So first is continuous, second fast burst, third slow burst, fourth ramp burst and fifth sweep. We can change frequencies for all output modes except for the sweep mode. In sweep mode, we can vary only the pulse width. The frequency is automatically varied from 10 to 190 Hz in the step of 5 Hz. So when we press start, the frequency starts varying in the step of 5 Hz. For modes other than sweep, to avoid accommodation, we have an on time for 6 seconds and off time for 2 seconds for output current. So for continuous, fast burst, slow burst and ramp burst. For output modes, to change frequency, click on frequency button on the device panel. Cursor will blink on frequency in LCD, where you can vary using up and down arrow key. Frequency varies from 16 to 200 Hz and can be changed in the step of 1 Hz. To change pulse width, click on P/W button on the device panel. Cursor will blink on pulse width in LCD, vary using up and down arrow key. Pulse width varies from 50 to 350 microseconds and can be changed in the step of 50 microseconds. To change time, click on time button on the device panel. Cursor will blink on time in LCD. Vary using up and down arrow key. Time varies in the step of 1 minute. 0 to 30-minute timer is provided. Now plug the cables in output socket in all the channels. After selecting all the parameters and placing the electrodes with gel in proper position as per the requirement, press the start button to start the output. Gradually increase the intensity after pressing the start button using intensity knob to start the current for each channel. An LED is turned on indicating that the output is being delivered. One important point to be noted here is to make sure that intensity knobs are 0 and LED is off before pressing the start button, as it will not start and ask you to make it 0. For example, here if I increase the intensity of one channel and press the start button, it will display adjust intensity to 0 level and a buzzer will ring continuously. So always remember to keep it 0 before starting and gradually increase as per your requirement. A buzzer rings every time when a treatment ends. A stop button is provided to stop the treatment in between or in case of emergency. Always remember to make the intensity 0 after completion of a treatment. Now to check if your device is in working condition or not, place some gel on the rubber electrodes. Place your hand covering the electrodes. Make sure these electrodes do not touch each other. Press the start button and gradually increase the intensity of that channel. You will feel the current, which indicates that the device is in working condition. Similarly, you can check for channel 2, channel 3 and channel 4. Keep all these points in mind while using TENS and also go through the contraindications and other details provided in the instruction manual carefully before starting the use of the device for complete details.